Hey guys, Ryan here, AOCleaning. Hope you guys doing good. Today is Friday. We got two vans behind us. We're doing a HVAC cleaning and sanitation, as well as a carpet cleaning with some pet treatment and some carpet protection. Let's take a look. AO, let's go. All right, guys, beautiful day out here in the Millstadt, Illinois area. So we got the carpet van here, and we also got our HVAC cleaning van. We got Scott on the scene with us. They just bought this home, beautiful area, and military family. And they hired us to take care of the duct cleaning and sanitation, as well as the carpet cleaning with some pet treatment because there was some urine. And then we're going to protect it with Scotch Guard. We see what we're doing. Got a total of 3,900 square feet of home. We got Scott taking care of some vacuuming right now. And the client just left. She already paid us, and she had to go back to work. But right now what we're doing is getting everything clean and ready. We already got the vents off. And I told her we'll do the HVAC cleaning first, then take care of the carpet and treat it and protect it. So this area, got the steps, hallway, this bedroom area, and the walk-in closet area, and then these two bedrooms. So that total 6 areas. And a lot of urine that we identified with our special pet UV light and probing. And we're going to take care of that after we do the HVAC cleaning. So got the brush piece ready. And yeah, guys, that's going to be a good one. She's excited to get the results. And beautiful, beautiful place. And I did tell her once we start treating the carpet, keep the fans on. Keep a thermostat typically between 68 and 72, the tip of the day, and that will expedite the drying. And it also depends on your airflow, density of your carpet, and air movement. So that is the best practice. And the more fan movement, the better. So whenever we do a topical product or doing a urine treatment, we do allocate for additional 24 hours. So we did identify some urine, like right there. If you guys see that, I'll zoom in here. See that area lit up right there? That's urine. And she did not want that contamination in the carpeting. And that's what we're going to do. So it's kind of all over. Like right there, right there. But that's the best we do, guys, is we don't guess, we test. And we identify that there is a lot of urine. And we're going to get it back to the original state. So more in here. Turn this light off so you guys can see a couple areas, especially over here. Lit up some areas. See right there, guys. Yep. And the Masters was the worst. Again, they had some dogs. And see, they got dogs, and they didn't want the dog, behavior-wise, to recontaminate it. But look at this, guys. See all that? So that's urine. So you can't clean that. Remember, if you ever watch my videos and follow me, you got to treat that. We're going to take that paste, turn it into a liquid form. So we're going to extract it, the carpeting, the pad, and the backing of the carpet, especially right there, and get it hygienic first and foremost. And once we treat this urine, then we can get it back to original state by cleaning the carpet and removing the soil. And then we're going to protect it once we're finished. And here's a closet area, kind of more of the same that you can expect. See all that there? A little bit right there, a little bit right there. So yeah, guys, if you have a situation in your home, give us a call. We can remove that stuff. Because the only way to remove it, guys, is replacement, kills it, and then new carpet, new pad, which is expensive, or our treatment, the AO signature way. So, and you cannot clean this stuff. Otherwise, you just mask it. So, all right, guys, little tip of the day. And hope you guys doing well. Stay tuned. AO, let's go. All right, guys, this is the return wall cavity in the living room. We're gonna get it to clean. Nice and clean again. AO, let's go. All right, guys, AO way. Nice and clean. You breathe better. AOClean.com. All right, guys, you can see here we're actually cleaning the ductwork. This is the main trunk line. Getting out clean and pristine. Getting rid of all the dust, allergens, pollutants, dead skin cells, and getting it back to the original condition.
Again, guys, this is crucial for a healthy indoor environment to breathe better air quality. This is the return. This sucks all the air in 9 times a day, and it's crucial to get this done at least every 7 years, according to the EPA and the Air Duct Association. For more information, follow us at AOCleaning.com.
All right, guys, a little update. Another reason why they chose AO Cleaning for restoration, because we save floors, we restore floors, we clean and polish countertops, and we clean ducts. So that's why they chose us for the highest rate in our area. We got Scott agitating now. He's helping us out. And that's the update. The HVAC cleaning is complete and sanitized. We treated the carpets for urine contamination. As you can just see, remember all those urine stains that was there? Look at that, guys. Gone. I even turned the light off for you so you can see. All that has been digested. You don't see that no more. And it's beautiful. Now we're going to sanitize and extract it. Blown away, guys. Absolutely stunning. That's what we do. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, a little update. These carpets turned out amazing. You can just see back to original state. We got Scott doing the steps now. And yeah, guys, what a night and day difference. Smells divine, looks great. All is well. Yep, you need a service, we got you covered. Enjoy your Friday, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.